Greetings, grandchildren. It's been a while since I've read an alphabet book, so today I've decided to read about some naughty little monkeys. I wonder what kind of naughty things these monkeys do. Let's read and find out. Naughty Little Monkeys by Jim Aylesworth, illustrated by Henry Cole. Naughty little monkeys know a lot of tricks, but Mom thinks they're angelic, all naughty 26. Naughty little monkey has a folded airplane. He flies it all around until the rest complain. Naughty little monkey jumping on her bed. It won't be too much longer before she bonks her head. Naughty little monkey eating chocolate cake. If she eats another bite, she'll get a tummy ache. Naughty little monkey swinging on the drape. The curtain rod is bending into a funny shape. Naughty little monkey wearing Mom's earrings. She's been told before not to touch her things. Naughty little monkey fooling with the fish. All his fingers in the bowl going splashy splish splish. Naughty little monkey playing with her gum, pulling pink and gooey strings from her teeth out to her thumb. Naughty little monkey snipping off his hair, but he's clipped too much now. Off to the barber's chair. Naughty little monkey, he's careless with ice cream. The drips are dripping down in a steady, sticky stream. Naughty little monkey, she's spreading grape jelly. She's got it smeared all over her hands and chin and belly. Naughty little monkey zooming with her kite. The string is getting tangled on everything in sight. Naughty little monkey drawing with lipstick. When his mama sees this, it will make her feel quite sick. Naughty little monkey loves his baseball mitt, but playing ball indoors, he really ought to quit. Naughty little monkey cutting up the news. If Daddy hasn't read it, he'll surely blow his fuse. Naughty little monkey waiting by the oven. When the timer starts to ding, watch out, there may be shoving. Naughty little monkey stacking his pancakes, all the syrups pouring off into brown and gluey lakes. Naughty little monkey underneath his quilt. He'll try to scare his sister from the fort that he just built. Naughty little monkey tracking up the rug. Her feet are very muddy from some holes that she's just dug. Naughty little monkey goes speeding down the slide. She is bound to get bruised from such a wild ride. Naughty little monkey wearing Daddy's ties. He really should know by now that such a thing's not wise. Naughty little monkey under Mom's umbrella. It's far too big and heavy for such a little fella. Naughty little monkey with a brand new violin. By now her brother's patience is wearing very thin. Naughty little monkey, splashing soapy water. This way to take a bath, her mother never taught her. Naughty little monkey, banging his xylophone. His mom and dad are wishing that they had not come home. Naughty little monkey, not careful with his yo-yo. Watch out for that street lamp. Oops, now it's an oh no. Naughty little monkeys heading for the zoo. That's where all the monkeys go. When the ABCs are through. Are you at all like one of these naughty little monkeys? Have you ever done any of these naughty things? We all have. I love you guys. Bye-bye.